Hi, welcome to NiCarC. My name is Mohan, and today I will tell you about one interesting feature. Whoever wants to be like a pilot or who wants to fly a drone, that is simulator which is supported to mobile versions and mostly Android. You can install that simulator and you can learn how to fly a drone, whatever it may be, that is fixed wing or multi-rotor. There is lot of features in that simulator. We will keep updating on that app, and we will give each and every information what's in that app. Let's go installing part of the app, and we'll discuss about different user interfaces of the app. First of all, you need to take your Android phones. You need to open your Play stores. Yeah, this is the app name, Absolute RC Flight. You will see this on the screen. You need to install this app. App will install. It's depending upon how your internet is speed actually. If your internet is speed, this app install very fast, or else you need to wait some time. Yeah, app is installed. The app is launched in this Android. Let's discuss about what are the user interfaces of this app. Because in that user interfaces we have a lot of controls and customization, individual customization according to the different persons. Let's say one person will use mode 1 transmitter, another person will use mode 2, like this. Common peoples will use mode 2 transmitters, and you can customize according to that. This is the first user interface when you are open your app actually. See, share this app with your friends. That's app manufacturer message. Okay, model advantages, that is another option. There is a 6 options in this UI, and there is a down middle start button is there, and if you click at the start button, you will see directly this aircraft. Everybody is seeing the aircraft, right? And left side, see, this is the mode 2 transmitter. Directly it will appear in this main screen. Okay, normal left side stick is throttle. See, while I am increasing, there is a throttle increasing in the simulator. Simulators are playing a good role. I mean, they are playing good role in our life, because it is easy to crash simulators. But coming to in a physical body, there is a lot of money wastage in that. If physical body is crashed, there is lots of money wasted actually. If you crash with simulator also, there is zero money will cost actually. According to the cost cutting, simulators, using first simulator to save money actually. You can fly full throttle. I am taking the takeoff. Okay. Now there is a down middle of the screen. You will see the zooming of our aircraft, zoom view of our aircraft. Okay, you can land wherever you want, just take off, and you can land. You can crash also. See, that is a crash landing. Yeah. But it is okay. This is all about the simulator, and tomorrow, maybe in next video, we will provide you some some advanced concepts in this app actually. His name is Tirunokar, he will take next video. Yeah. So this all about the simulators. It's better to crash simulator vehicles, not real vehicles. We'll wrap up today's video, and I think everybody is, you can exit like this. I think everybody is enjoyed this video, and practice simulators right now, and it's bit ahead to fly in real aircraft. That's it. If you like the video, and please give the thumbs up. If there is a doubt, you can ask me in the comments. Please subscribe the channel.